Hello everyone, this is Chaya Math Tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for further classes. If you like this video, please like it and share it. Chapter 1, Playing with Numbers. In the Playing with Numbers, first topic, Tests of Divisibility. Tests of Divisibility. In that first topic, divisibility by 10. By 10. Here some of the multiples of first point, the sum of the multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so on. Here and some of the non-multiples of 10 are 13, 27, 23, 32, 55, 69, so on. These are the multiples of 10, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 56. These are the multiples of 10. If these numbers, next point, suppose the number dot 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 C B A and the short form for this number can be written as is dot 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 plus 100 C plus 10 B plus 1 A. First place will be the ones digit, B is the tens digit, and C is the hundreds digit. That is, here A is the ones digit, B is the tens digit, C is the 100 digit. Second point, divisibility by 5. First point, the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 25, 30, 35, 40, 50, so on. And the non-multiples of 5 are 12, 14, 23, 59, so on. Any number CBA, here I have taken CBA, like that I am taking here also. CBA can be written as plus 100C, 100B plus A. Here so on will represent there will be infinitely many numbers before this 100C. Here 10 and 100 can be divisible by 5 also, because 10 is the multiple of 5 and 10 can be written as 5 into 2, right? That's why this CBA can also be written in the form, and this is also divisible by 5. Next point, third point, divisibility by 2. Similarly, have you seen in 10 and 5? Here also, here the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, these are all multiples of 2, and the odd numbers are the non-multiples of 2, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the non-multiples of 2. Similarly, here also I am considering the any number CBA can be written as 100C plus 10B plus A. This also can be a divisible of 2, because here 10 is the multiple of 2, right? That's why the first two terms, namely 100C, 10B, are the divisible of 2, because 100 and 2 are divisible by 2. They are divisible by 2 and also the multiple of 2. After divisibility by 2, we can take this point, fourth point, divisibility by 9 and 3. In that first point, a number n is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 9. The And second point, I will explain you in detail in the example here. A number n is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 3. That is, if the number c be a, then 100 had taken the number c be a, then this 100c plus 100b plus a can be written as, here 100 can be written as 99 plus 1 into c plus 9 plus 1 into b plus, here a can be with the, in the coefficient of a is 1a. Then multiply c, 99 into c is 99c plus c, that I had written here. Again plus b into 9 is 9b plus b, that I written here. 9b plus c plus b plus a, this a I had written here. I consider these two digits. In this I taken 9 common, that is 11c plus b plus this I can written as a plus b plus c. This 9 times of the value variable which is divisible by 3 and 9. Hence divisibility by 9 or 3 is possible if this a plus b plus c is divisible by 9 or 3. Because here there will be a sum. We have taken a sum here, a plus b plus c. This only will be the divisible of 9 or a 3. That is, a number n is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit, only if they given a number n, that sum only we have to take, that is a plus b plus sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Their sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Similarly, the sum of number n is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit, is divisible by 9. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 9 or a 3. Exercise 1.2. In the first problem, if 21y5 is a multiple of 9, where y is a digit, what is the value of, we need to find the value of y. Since 21y5 is a multiple of 9, sum of the digits, that is, how we will write this, we have to write in a sum form, that is 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is equal to 9, is multiple of 9, that is add these numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus y, which is equal to, it should be 8 plus y should be a multiple of 9. Okay, this is possible only when, only when 8 plus y is equal to 9. It should be only when the value of y, it should be the multiple of 9 and 8 plus y, it should be equal to 9. But since y is a digit, therefore 8 plus y is equal to 9. That is only when y is equal to 1. Oh, if you put the value of 1, you will get 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 is equal to 9. 9 is the multiple of 9. The sum of this value, suppose 8 plus y is equal to 9, right? I can put the value of y 1. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. Here 9 is equal to 9. This 9 will be the multiple of 9 only when y is equal to 1. Since Again I will explain. Since 21 by 5 is a multiple of 9, the sum of digits, first you need to take a sum of the given digit, that is 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is a multiple of 9. Okay, consider this step. Again add these numbers, the numbers you need to add, remain variable, remain with variable, is multiple of 9. Add these numbers, that is 8 plus y, and it should be a multiple of 9. Okay, this is possible only if this number will be the multiple of 9. Only this will be possible only when this 8 plus y is equal to 9, right? But since y is a digit, therefore 8 plus y is equal to 9. Only when this y is equal to, that is when I put a value of 1, that is equal to 9, 9 equal to 9. Okay, don't write this, I'll write only till here. Second problem, if 31z5 is a multiple of 9 where z is a digit, what is the value of z? Here the value of z we need to find. Similarly, I had solved in the first problem, like here also. Since this 31z5 is a multiple of 9, sum of digits can be written as, that is 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. It should be a multiple of 9, but that is, add these numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9 plus z. Here 9 plus z should be multiple of 9. So this 9 plus z is one of these numbers, that is 0 or 9. If I put 0 here, I will get a 9, or if I put 9 here, I will get 18. 18 is a multiple of 9 and 9 is a multiple of 9. But since z is a digit, 9 plus z is equal to, here they ask multiple of 9, therefore 9 plus z is equal to 9 only when, that is x equal to 0 or 9. Third problem, if 24x is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, what is the value of x, right? Since 24x is a multiple of 3, its sum of digit, the sum of the digit, given digit we have to do the sum, that is 2 plus 4 plus x is a multiple of 3, right? That is 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus x, it should be a multiple of 3. Got it? Next, so 6 plus x is one of these numbers 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. But since x is a digit, it can only be that 6 plus x is equal to 6 or 9 or 12 or 15. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. Thus, x can have any of 4 digits. Any of these 4 digits. I will explain you. Here 24x is a multiple of 3, right? It is a multiple of 3. Its sum of digit is 2 plus 4 plus x is a multiple of 3. That is 6 plus x. It should be a multiple of 3. That means I am adding this. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus x. So this 6 plus x is a one of these numbers, because since it is a multiple of 3, I can put the value 0. It will, if I put a value 0 here, x equal to 0, then 6 plus 0 will be 6. This is also a multiple of 3. When I put a value of 3 here, x equal to 3, 6 plus 3 is 9. Like so on up to it will goes on. But since x is a digit, x is a one of digit. Okay, for this x we can put a value of numbers, many numbers. It can only be that 6 plus x equal to 6. It should be a multiple of 6, or it should be a 9, it should be a 12 or a 15. But here they ask 3. It is a multiple of 3. So therefore x equal to 0 or a 3 or a 6 or a 9. It can be anything. Only I consider this 4 digit. Thus x can have any of these 4 digit. Fourth problem. If 31z5 is a multiple of 3 where z is a digit, what might be the value of z? Since 31z5 is a multiple of 3, its sum of digit can be written as 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. It should be a multiple of 3. So I add these numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. So this 9 plus z is one of these numbers, that is 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, so on. But since x is a digit, sorry, z is a digit, it can only be that 9 plus z is equal to 9 or 12 or 15. Therefore, z equal to 0, 3, 6, 9, or z equal to 0 or 3 or 9, etc. Thus, z can have any of these 4 digits. Okay, if I put the value of 0 here, 9 plus 0 is 9. It can be a multiple of 9. If I put a value of 3 here, 9 plus 3 is 12. It can be a multiple of 12 also. If I put a value of 6, 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 equal to 15. That is 15. It's a multiple of 15. It can be anything. But they ask here multiple of 3. So I can put z equal to 0. 9. I will get a 9. 9 equal to 3. That means it is a multiple of 3. If I put a value of 3, 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 is also a multiple of 3. If I put a 6, z equal to 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 is also multiple of 3. So z can have any of these 4 digits. Solved.